So, if you're stuck and don't know what to create, that certainly happens to me a lot. Here's how I restart. I basically, oftentimes, I go back in time and I start experimenting. So I go back in mid-journey, for instance, or and you could use whatever you're using. I go back in my archive and look at some of the old generations I made. And I just start experimenting. I maybe combine some images from different projects. I play with an old prompt and renew it, or I put in a new image prompt and see what happens. So the basic idea is to just get the ball rolling, not think too much about any big, uh, brilliant concept. Just get started and see where it leads you. Um, so it doesn't matter if you're using old failed prompts or some generations that you were really happy with. Um, I generated some images from different projects and combined them into a reel for Instagram, um, along with some music. So I hope this small tip will get you restarted. I've been working as a creative for many years, so go hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to share tips and insights that will help you as an AI artist.